Jain the student. So today we'll be doing exercise 6.4 of chapter triangle and its properties. In it, the questions that we'll be doing is question number 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If you see question number 1, it is mentioned, is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? And the 3 sides are given, and regarding this I have already explained this property in my first video of this chapter. Okay, so if people can see that once again, and that property is that sum of, we are doing first part, sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. Okay, so here the sides that are given are 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Now if you add 2 and 3, 2 plus 3, these are the two sides. Okay, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. When you are adding, you get 5 centimeter. Now since 5 centimeter is not greater than, okay, since 5 centimeter is not greater than, is equal to 5 centimeter, therefore it is not possible to have a triangle with this measurement. Okay, so mention, therefore it is not possible to have a triangle of this measurement. Now after first part, let us do the second part. In second part, the sides are 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So once again mention the reason, sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. So over here the sides are 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter. When you add them, you get 9 centimeter. Now since 9 centimeter is greater than, the third side given over here is 7 centimeter. Since 9 centimeter is greater than 7 centimeter, which is the third side, therefore it is possible to have a triangle of this measurement. Okay, now after this we are going to do the third part. In third part, the sides are 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So when these are the three sides, so let us take the one which are the shortest sides. So in that case, this is now third part. I hope everyone has done the first part. So in third part, the shortest side is 2 centimeter and after that it is 3 centimeter, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Now since 5 centimeter is less than 6 centimeter, whereas it has to be greater than 5 centimeter. Okay, over here what you are observing, you are getting 5 centimeter and third side is 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter. When you have added these two sides, in real, if the triangle was possible to be constructed, in that case you will be always getting this bigger than the third side, which you are not getting over here. You are getting, after adding two sides, even smaller than the third side. That is why it is not possible to have a triangle of this measurement. Okay. Now if you write this, then we'll be moving on to question number 3rd. In question number 3rd, the figure is drawn. Meanwhile, you are writing this third part. I am drawing the figure. There is triangle ABC in which AM is median. And over here it is mentioned that these two sides are equal. That is why we can tell that it is median. The question is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM? Now let us erase this. Then I will be showing. We are doing question number 3rd right now. So we have to prove, required to prove that AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Now what you are observing over here is that this AM is written twice. It means that we have to take triangles in such a manner that this AM becomes the common side for those two triangles. Then it is possible only when you take the triangle AMB and AMC. In this question, in this particular question, hint also is given. Consider the sides of triangle ABM and triangle AMC. So first let us take the triangle ABM. In triangle ABM, okay, we have taken triangle ABM first, that is A, B and M. Now over here what you will be observing is that AB plus BM will be greater than AM. Why? Because you know that sum of two sides is always greater than third side. So for this triangle, if you see, then you will be finding that this will be the first side, this will be the second side, that will be the third side. In that case, AB plus BM, whenever you will be adding, it will always be greater than AM. So let us write down, since the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than third side, therefore AB plus BM will be greater than AM. Okay, this is the first thing that we have got. Now let us take triangle. In triangle, the second triangle is AMC. Okay, now what you will be observing is that if you take this triangle, then AC plus CM will be greater than AM. So since the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than third side, therefore AC or CA plus MC is greater than AM. This is the second thing that we have found. Now adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2, we get. What do we get when we are adding? Now see, I am adding this and this. So first I am taking this AB plus BM, then I am taking these two plus CA plus MC, then I am taking this AM of this first one and this AM of second one. Now what you are observing required to prove, you have AB, then you also have CA, and over here you have two of the sides. But one thing that you will be observing, that this BM and MC when added gives you this BC. Let's see. So if you are arranging them, then BM plus MC plus CA is greater than 2AM, you can write. Okay, now this will be AB plus BM plus MC is equal to BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Okay, so in this way you have proved, so hence proved. I hope it is clear. I am telling it once again. Now see, AB plus BM will be greater than AM in first triangle that we have taken as triangle ABM. In second triangle, AC plus CM will be greater than AM, which I have taken over here as second part. When you are adding those two, then you are finally proving that AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Okay. Now after this third part, let us move on to the fourth part. Let us do the fourth part. I am drawing the figure over here. These are the two diagonals. It is A, B, C and D. Now what has to be proved over here is, sorry, it is not fourth part, it is fourth question. Okay, required to prove, we have to prove that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Now what you are observing over here is that towards this side you are finding the two diagonals AC and BD, and these are the two diagonals of this figure, that is the quadrilateral. That is why what we will be doing is, we will be first taking triangle ABC. Okay, so let us take in triangle ABC. Okay, over here what will be happening is AB plus BC will be greater than AC. Okay, since, mention the reason, since sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. Okay, it is GREATER. I am writing it once again. Okay, now let us take the other one, and now I am taking the other one as in triangle ABD, or let us take in triangle ABD. When we are taking this triangle ABD, then what will be happening is that AB plus DA will be greater than BD, and the reason remains same, since sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. Okay, then let us take the other triangle as we have taken. See, we have taken this triangle, we have taken this triangle. Now let us take other triangle as in triangle ACD. Okay, in this what you will be observing is that we have to place the diagonal towards the other side. So over here we will mention CD plus DA is greater than AC. Once again the reason remains same. Then in triangle we have taken this also. Now let us take the other one as over here it is not BC but it's BD. Okay, now let us take the other diagonal also. For that we will have to take triangle BCD, BC and D. Now in this what will be happening is BC plus CD will be greater than BD. The reason remains same. Now we will be adding both the all the four triangle side. So this was the first one, this was the second one, this was the third one, and this was the fourth one. So adding 1, 2, 3 and 4 we get. Let us check what do we get. If we are taking these two, so AB plus BC plus then these two AB plus DA plus then these two CD plus DA plus now these two BC plus CD is greater than. Now let us take of this side AC plus BD plus AC plus BD. AC plus BD plus AC plus BD. Now you are observing that AB is 2 times, you are observing that BC is 2 times, you are observing that DA is 2 times, and you are observing that CD also is 2 times. So let us write, so 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CD plus 2DA is greater than, over here also AC is 2 times and BD is 2 times. Now what will happen is we will be taking 2 common, so in that way AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, and over here if we take 2 common, so it will be AC plus BD. You can use distributive property over here and check. See, 2 into AC will be 2AC plus 2 into BD will be 2BD, which you are getting over there. Now what will be happening is this 2 will be getting cancelled from both the sides because we will be dividing 2 from both the sides. So when you divide 2 from both the sides, then what you get is the same thing which was to be proved. So if you are dividing both the sides by 2, so AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. D. Hence. Okay, so in this way you people can do this.